Hello, welcome back. In our first section, you have learned how to say I want, I don't want, how to ask questions, and how to use words like a little, and also. You even make some quite long sentences. Before we go any further, I want to say something important. If you are finding that some of the material from the first section isn't quite sticking yet, that is completely normal. Don't move on until you feel comfortable with it. Go back, listen again, and let it settle. Sleep on it. When you can recall about 70% of what we have covered without struggling, then you are ready for this next section. There's no rush. The course will always be here. Let's remind ourselves of what you have already know. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Take your time. Pause if you need to. What is I want in Cantonese? 我要. What is I don't want? 我唔要. What is you want? 你要. How do you say, do you want dim sum? 你要點心嗎? What is a little? 一啲. What is and? 同. What is also? 都. Now, let's put a few of these together. How would you say, I also want a little dim sum? 我都要一啲點心. Now, let's add something new. A very useful word, to go. In Cantonese, to go is 去. Listen carefully. 去. Say it after me. 去. In English, we say I want to go. In Cantonese, there's no to. You just say I want go. So, how would you say I want to go in Cantonese? 我要去. 我要去. What is I want to go again? 我要去. Now, what if you don't want to go? How would you say I don't want to go? 我唔要去. 我唔要去. Let's learn a place you might want to go. Hong Kong. You probably know this one. In Cantonese, it is 香港. 香港. How would you say I want to go to Hong Kong? 我要去香港. How would you ask, do you want to go to Hong Kong? 你要去香港嗎? Now, another very useful word, to eat. In Cantonese, to eat is 食. Listen carefully. 食. Now say it after me. 食. 食. Good. Remember, in Cantonese, you don't put a little word to between verbs. You just put them side by side. So, how would you say I want to eat? 我要食. How would you say I don't want to eat? 我唔要食. Now, let's combine with what you already know. You know dim sum, wonton, and a little. How would you say I want to eat dim sum? 我要食點心. How would you say I want to eat a little wonton? 我要食一啲雲吞. How would you ask, do you want to eat dim sum and wonton? 你要食點心同雲吞嗎? You see, you are already making longer sentences. Now, one more verb, to drink. In Cantonese, to drink is 飲. 飲. Say it after me. 飲. 飲. Perhaps you already know the word for tea. What is tea in Cantonese? 茶. 茶. How would you say I want to drink tea? 我要飲茶. How would you ask, do you want to drink tea? 你要飲茶嗎? Now, let's combine a few things. How would you say, I want to eat dim sum and drink tea? 我要食點心同飲茶. Great, you just make a sentence with two verbs. Remember the word also? Though you put it between the subject and the verb. What is I also want? 我都要. How would you say I also want to eat dim sum? 我都要食點心. How would you say she also wants to drink tea? 佢都要飲茶. Now, let's build a sentence we have been working towards. I want to go to Hong Kong to eat dim sum and drink tea. First, what is I want to go to Hong Kong? 我要去香港. Now, add to eat dim sum. In Cantonese, you say 食點心. So, I want to go to Hong Kong to eat dim sum is 我要去香港食點心. Now, add and drink tea. What is and? 同. What is drink tea? 飲茶. Now, put it all together. I want to go to Hong Kong to eat dim sum and drink tea. 我要去香港食點心同飲茶。This is a long sentence. Let's say it again slowly. 我要去香港食點心同飲茶。Excellent. You build that sentence yourself. Now let's practice with he and she. How would you say he wants to eat dim sum? 佢要食點心。How would you ask, does she want to drink tea? 佢要飲茶嗎？ Here's something that might surprise you. In spoken Cantonese, there's no difference between he and she. It is the same word, 佢. You don't need to worry about gender. Context will tell you whether the person you are talking about is male or female. You already know how to ask a question using ma at the end. Now let's learn another way, one that Cantonese speakers use all the time. To ask, do you want? You can simply say want, not want. 要唔要? It sounds strange to English ears, but in Cantonese, this is perfectly natural. Listen, 要唔要, want, not want. Say it after me. 要唔要? Again, 要唔要? Good. How would you ask, do you want to go to Hong Kong using this pattern? 你要唔要去香港? Right. How about the verb to go itself? You can also ask, are you going, using the same pattern, which is 去唔去? Go, not go. Listen, 去唔去? Say it after me. 去唔去? So, how would you ask? Are you going to Hong Kong? 你去唔去香港? Now that you know the pattern, let's practice it with the other verbs you learned today. Remember to eat. 食. How would you ask? Do you eat dim sum? Using the same verb, not verb pattern. 你食唔食點心? How would you ask? Do you drink tea? 你飲唔飲茶? 你飲唔飲茶? Let's review everything from today. What is to eat? 食. What is to drink? 飲. What is tea? 茶. What is Hong Kong? 香港. How would you say, I want to eat dim sum? 我要食點心. How would you say, I want to drink tea? 我要飲茶. How would you say, I want to eat dim sum and drink tea? 我要食點心同飲茶. And finally, how would you say I want to go to Hong Kong to eat dim sum and drink tea? 我要去香港食點心同飲茶. That's a real sentence. You are speaking Cantonese. You are not trying to remember any of this. Just let it sink in. In the next section, we will learn how to talk about the past, like I have eaten or I have been to Hong Kong. Until then, relax. You have done great work today.